So there are different ways people make egusi, and today I'm going to be using the Enugu style to make egusi. So if you're from Enugu, Ndigbo, Kueno, come and see how you guys make your egusi here. So you first of all put water into a bowl or a pot rather. Then the next thing you want to go ahead with is your palm oil mixed with cocoyam powder. Some people use the normal cocoyam, but I don't have that, and that's why I had to use the powder. So I'm going to mix it with palm oil and pour it into my pot, then go in with my pepper and let that mix and boil. When it boils, it thickens on its own. Then you add all your proteins, fish, crayfish, meat, more anything you feel like you want to add. Then you go in with your maggi, salt, and pepper and let that boil together for a while. After that, you go ahead to mix your egusi with little water. When I mean little water that you can mold your egusi and cut them into smaller balls. So you go ahead and drop these balls inside your egusi. You keep dropping it little by little till you totally drop everything. You cover this and let it cook very well. When I mean very well, let the egusi get totally cooked. Then when you are done with that, you go ahead with your vegetable. Rinse your vegetable properly and put it. You can use ugu, you can use bitter leaf, and you will still get the same result. It is actually very tasty. On my next soup, egusi soup, I'm going to be showing you how the Benin's cook egusi soup and maybe how Yoruba cook egusi jebo. So if you have watched to this point, ensure to subscribe to my channel because you'll be learning a whole lot when it comes to cooking. When you put the vegetable, ensure you don't leave it for too long. You don't want to leave this soup for too long. Let it sit for a while, then you go ahead and bring it down.